Okay, so I have completed all of my editing for all the audio files. I actually had to re-record all the trombone parts and I had to re-record this guitar part. So I've completed that and I have organized all the files into folders. I've even added a little note here to say that I'll probably be able to delete the reference files after the song has been published because I won't need that information anymore. So let's just double check everything is lining up well with the project audio. So in the guitar, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 files here. So this is my Logic project, and I'm just going to check I have the exact same number of files. So let's have a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yeah, so that's good on the guitar. Let's check the trombone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So always good to just double check that you have the same number of files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. And finally the trumpet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the trumpet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then there's the computer file, and then there is also the vocal file. Just one each, and that's this file and this file. Okay, wonderful. And then I have all my reference files. They're inside over here. The trombone, I made a different set of references. Yeah, there's my reference files.